What an amazing time I had at the REO conference. Special thanks out to Annie, Sheila for inviting me, networking with the top foreclosure professionals in the nation. That was truly, I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Much success to everyone at the conference and an exciting 2026 season. I believe it's going to be great. My day started off on a beautiful Sunday sunrise in the clouds. I mean, it was just priceless. Landed around 7 a.m. Felt like a win to me because I went to the hotel not expecting anything. I was actually just going to drop my bags off and say, hey, I need to go to this conference. Let me leave my bags when my room is ready. Can you please put them in the room? And she was like, oh, you can check in. I mean, it was 7 a.m. That was just... I just don't get that a lot. But this hotel was so cute. It was like a little Mexican hotel. The refrigerator, it came stocked with like just, a whole bunch of liquor. The little mini bar had like regular price for the little snacks, like vending machine, like $3-4, not like $10 for a bag of M&Ms. Just real nice and cute. And jazzy and just cool and cheap. It was like $130 or something. It was right across the street from the conference. They had the pool, they had restaurant. I really enjoyed that. Left there at 9 o'clock, went to hear Robert give an amazing, his years of knowledge and experience, bringing back a lot of things that I knew that I forgot from way back, and that was just enlightening. But a whole lot of new friends that I hope to partner with. I did send already one person in Oxford, Pam, a client, and hopefully we can exchange with some other people. Matt and Mark have called, reached out to me. Little Rock, Oxford, Atlanta, Mississippi. Just hope we have a great year. The REO industry has been down for a while, and I'm doing more appraisals and seeing things. Got a few new listings in Arkansas that's starting to come up. So, but it was just good networking with all the AMCs, the asset managers, the servicers, dispo strategies coming down the pipeline, all the new AI technology. Things have definitely changed. Hey, serious topic. If you know anyone facing foreclosure or eviction, please reach out to your lender early, and then a realtor such as me. If that realtor does not do REOs or foreclosure, you need to find one that does, because it's a lot of steps that they may waste time and you end up being evicted when it's too late. If you contact us after the fact, after the set out event, we cannot help. So please reach out early. There are a lot of options you can do, loss mitigation, a lot of things you can do, but you have to reach out early. From the small investment homes to the large homes. Happy Thanksgiving.